Ebusuafo Passover part 3 ena me de ebremo. Na first of all no o se me introduce me ho. Eti me ameka say ye frɛ me Kohen Gadol Ebenezer Ankapon Nyama. I'm the founder of Yehuda that Miskan Church. That's Judah Legend Tabernacles Church and a gospel legend musician. Eti yenti asiesa. Eti on my previous video no Passover and I say Pesach part 2. Eti enedie no part 3. Eti I'll continue from that quotation. Exodus and I say Shemot chapter 12 verses 18. Eti mekomechi a little bit kakranti. Let's start from verses 17. Let us understand. Eti working according to Shemot and I say Exodus chapter 12 verses 17. Was say, you must remember the festival of unleavened bread, because on this day I took all of your people out of Egypt in groups, and all your descendants must remember this day. This is the law that will last forever. It was say, Passover meal yi wode ama Israel for no say eduru Passover meal no womundi anase Passover festival no said de womu edi no no was say ebeye forever covenant. Eti ebeye apam ebeda ho afibɔ. Eti echirima no nso ba wɔn nso ebedi so de na Moshe mu ene Israel for no eye no ye Passover festival no wɔn nso ebedi the same thing so. Eti what quotation so was say verses 18 or say, so on the evening of the 14th day of the first month you will begin eating bread without yeast. It was say on the 14th day on the first month Abib and I say Nisan and I say April no won be sha ase edi Passover no on the 14th Abib enumre on the 14th April enumre. Ebusuafo yente ase sa say ye were 28 days in a month according to Bible no miankasa mayem Bible calendar mayem biblical calendar and I say lunisolar calendar all social media platforms so obo Kohen Gadol Ebenezer Ankapon Nyama ubehunu me all social media platforms so na woko pictures me de calendar na miankasa maye no me de ato ho in a year mono ye were 13 months. Ena in a month so you were 28 days. It's Gregorian calendar Roman calendar no bosom calendar. It's onu awutie me with the Roman calendar echia anase Gregorian calendar echia ene na wo som bosom ebi se Pope Gregory ena ede sa Roman calendar no Pope Gregory the SII yenti asiesa. It's according to biblical calendar no was say on the 14th day of Abib. Eti said the Bible nature ye no every month bia no month half ekopie month bim na another month half nso abepie mo na enya 1 month according to the Bible and I say one new moon ye wo new moon ene ye wo first quarter ene ye wo full moon ene ye wo last quarter yenti asesa. Eti new moon first quarter full moon and last quarter. Eti you were 28 days in a month. Eti on the 14th day no anache say yakwa kosi bosome fufurum na che say eye full moon evi say bosome half eba bepie bosome bim na another bosome half nso aba bepiem ena ebenya 1 bosome. Eti bosome no ye chemu mienu a on the 14th na che say ya chemu mienu ye nya full moon. Eti on the 14th full moon no kire say yesi bosome fufurum according to the Bible no but na emom no bosome half ene bosome half na beka bom me ebenya bosome baako. Eti ase from first day de call on the 28th yenti asiesa evi say ebusuafo ewia ne de ejina ho faako ena all the planet ne ya ahodo baako 9. Eti planet na ahodo emse nkamenya menya ko. Eti planet na ahodo baako 9 no last planet no Pluto. Eti ni nyina etwa sun ne ho hia but according to scientists no wo say Pluto de entimi entwa sun ne ho hia enti wo friend the dwarf planet. Eti o meyi ne firi planet nim evi se ade biara etimi twa sun ne ho hia no ena planet. Enti Pluto entimi ntwa sun ne ho hia ni de enye planet inti 8 planet ena eye den ewo ho yenti ase saa eti all the 8 planets no etwa sun ne ho hia na asase so no earth no etwa sun ne ho hia 365 days eti se etwa sun ne ho hia ne aba benya 1 year saa na moon no so etwa asase ne ho hia na moon no so etwa asase ne ho hia 28 days eye bible no na ma weke ena honkonkon so a kire mase amamede saa calendar no ayeden aba out enti ye 28 days in a month and ye 13 months in a year yenti ase saa eti wose nti verses 18 say so on the evening of the 14th day of the first month you will begin eating bread without yeast enti on the 14th day enwumre no ebesi on the Saturday wose wo mu enhya ase endi brodra yeast enye den ewo mu wotwa quotation no so a wose you eat this bread until the evening of the 21st day of the same month and to say on that same month no aye Abib first month of the year no wose on the 14th Abib enwumre wo mu hya ase se wo mu di Passover na 14th Abib enwumre no eye Saturday enti ebekwa akosi the next 7 days beka ho ebekwa akosi Saturday enti esa akosi Saturday a osinti on the 21st enti 7 days ba beka 14 ho a ebekwa akoye 20 yenti asiesa enti 1 day beka ho a enti na ye 8 days ebeka ho a na akwa akoye 21st or 21st day yenti asiesa enti osi you will eat this bread until the evening of the 21st day of the same month enti on the same month no on the 14th wo mu sha ase wo mu edi Passover no 14th Abib no aye Saturday enwumre Shabbat no homede enwumre na wo mbedi Passover no e dia kowie the next week eti on the 8th day no na akwa kosi on the 21st day yenti asiesa eti 21 days no eba beka ho nti oto quotation no so verses 19 or say for 7 days there must not be any yeast in your houses. It was say during those weeks during those days yes 7 days ni kwan say omuma yeast ewo wo mu efie enti yeast biara ewo mu fie no or say wo mu sesa yeast ni nyina ekotugu eni kwan say wo mu di aduane a yeast wo mu eni kwan say wo mu ma yeast mpo etena wo mu fie ebusuafo wontimi en challenge onyankopon yawe na wahyehyɛ ne mmara we obi betena wa aka say etwemu osofo obi ebe de 30 minutes ebe ka say mmaransɛ we etwemu abro onyankopon yawe ahyehyɛ mmara no wo osofo de 30 seconds ebe ka say mmaransɛm etwemu eti wose emransem onyankopon yawe ahye no wose se Passover no eduru ho a eni kwan se o ma yeast krampo ye den etena wo fie eti wontime en challenge onyankopon yawe eti woto quotation no so a wose for 7 days there must not be any yeast in your houses. Anyone, either a citizen of Israel or a foreigner living among you who eats yeast at this time must be separated from the rest of Israel. Eti wase obi biara owo Israel mu a eduru during those days no a ye Passover feast no so omu di na se obi de yeast etena ne fie anase wodi yeast aduane a o se ye twa ne so ye separate no efiri Israel fo anim ebi se obu onyankopon yawe ahyede so ene wiase mu sei enipa bebre na ebu onyankopon yawe ahyede so osofo bi kura betena wa aka se tete mransem no eno etwemu eti etwemu ntisisi a Yeshua HaMashiach de kobo cross so abra yebo yade nkwa Yeshua asendue osofo na wo ho dabi na ade na aka se ode kobo cross so wobu onyankopon yawe ahyede so it's a blasphemy eti se oka kire osofo ne se ene yentua tight bioma obeka se tight no ewo ho na tight no nso se ye mransem a onyankopon yawe de ma mushi nanso eno de eye sikade enti obeka se yanu de egusu eye ejuma but emransem enye ejuma won de asofo eye no wo asase so na church members for so edi omachi mo ne masofo mo nyina ma okobrunsam James Street yenti asesa eti ebusuafo according to enemre mu no yentua tight biom yenje tight biom tight ho emra no yade nkwa Yesu ababe ye firi ho aye the sacrificial law any offering a ekọ asode dem no yagye nkwa Yeshua beyi saa nyoma ne nyina eden efiri ho etu yo sofo a wogye tithe anase collection a wo kɔ bronsam gem meka no kracho me say always every day bia no me preach wo abonten me preach for 7 good years me preach wo abonten nanso menje obi biara 1 cedi mpo enye sika nti na me ko preach me preach ado na manfo pese odi sika pe nanso me ka chen say debi hey munjai enye sika nti na me ba be preach me pese wo sachira wadwen na obre me sika na say wan hu no kra na e wo Bible no wan sachira wadwen a what benefit na emfaso wo ben e na e wo so eti enemrem osofo nje tithe biom osofo nje collection biom eti wo osofo na nje collection ne tithe a we ni kire bonsam gem yenti asesa eti wo say on during those days no eni kwan say mu de aduane a yeast ewo mu what to quotation no so a wo say nti what was so according to verses 20 no say during this festival you must not eat any yeast you must eat bread without yeast wherever you live it was say odi brodra yeast enimu baby abekobia no verses 21 no say so Moshe called all the elders together and told them it ho na Moshe efre elders for no mpanyifo no e na oka de onyankopon yawe aka akire no e kire mpanyifo no what was so say get the lambs for your families it ho no ka say fa lambs no kanea no ema wobusuafo na wo mu ba be celebrate Passover meal said onyankopon yawe aka no na o mafiri Mizraim Egypt akọ Canaan bosha asase no so na what to quotation no so a was say get the lambs for your families kill the lambs for the Passover or say nti wo mfa lambs no aye aboa no ema nebusuafo no munkum aboa no on the Passover what was say take branches of hyssop and dip them in the bowls filled with blood paint the blood on the side and top of each door frame eti wasi so mukum lamp na wo mo emfa lamp no emoja no ensrasra edan no ho eti wotowa quotation no so a said the onyankopon ya wekireye no according to verses 1 no ede ba no eti wotowa quotation no so say paint the blood on the side and top of each door frame no one must leave their house until morning wasi say wo mukum aboa no lamp no na say wo mo re lamp no enam no na emoja no wom de srasra door no ho a eni kwan se obi biara pie or so obi biara share dem until the next morning eti wotowa quotation no so a no say verses 23 no say at the time the Lord Yahweh goes through Egypt or Mizraim to kill the firstborn he will see the blood on the side and that house or see on the side and top of each door frame then he will protect that house and not let the destroyer come into any of your houses and hurt you it was say semode moja na srasra door frame nano anase door post nano a se aso abofo a wo mukum nipa no ba na so mu hunu se moja no esrasra edan nano a moja na eba beje wo nkwa eti ebusuafo se de enemrem yagye nkwa Yeshua baaye a obe replace the lamb no a odini moja na je adebonyefo nkwa no eti Passover no so no aboa no lamb no ida se odwan anade keka ho omdi kum no a omdi moja na srasra dan ho no na je wo mo nkwa se de asoro abofo na wo mukum nipa no ba wo mu hunu moja na pe wo mu mbon radem ho enkonkokum Israelfo no eti wotoa quotation so say you must remember this command. Was say monkai sa command we ashede we. What was say this law is for you and your descendants forever. Was say emransem we eye for Israel for no any nechidi for nyina ebusuafo muntie ne ye. Was say emransem we eye for Israel for nechidi for nyina forever. Enya de a etwemo eto yo sofo ana church member na say hwan oye hwan na wo kase sa emransem we ana say Passover meal ne de keka ho no etwam de a ene na weni kire bonsam gem ebi say ye nyina ye Abraham asefo eti ye Abraham asefo no generation eti generation to generation emransem ne nyina kameni wo mi no ho eti yenti asesa said the yagye nkwa Yeshua HaMashiach baaye a waka say ye hunhum Israel no eti yabeka Israelfo no ho eti ade biara Israelfo no mo eye biara no onu a wotie me o say me ni wo mi no so yenso ye den ye eti yenti asesa eti woto quotation no so a was say it what to a quotation also or say verses 25 and say you must remember to do this even when you go to the land the Lord Yahweh is giving you. Was say sir emranse we ahede we wo mu nkoso anye abra wo mu free Mizraim Egypt akọ Canaan bosha asase no so wo mu kwa mo mu nkojai sa ahede no mranse wo mu nkoso enye what to a quotation so verses 26 no say when your children ask you why are we doing this ceremony? You will say, this Passover is to honor the Lord Yahweh because when we were in the Egypt, or when we were in Egypt, he passed over the houses of Israel. He killed the Egyptians, but he saved the people in our houses. It was say, Omuko Israel, Omuko Canaan, Bashasa, Seneso, and a friend Israel na se echirimba no kase aden na Passover no edura mu celebrate Passover na wasi wo mun kasa bra na wo mu wo Mizraim enkwasum no a omu be free enkwasum na ba bosha asase no so no onyankopon yawe ne commande wo mu se wo mu nkumemmoa no mu fansra doorpost na no na asoro abofo no be eba ho na so mu hunu aboa no mogya na wo mbe twemu akọ ti na eba benya atwemu afahye they will pass over eti na benya Passover feast and I say festival yenti asiesa on my previous video no me kyerɛkyerɛ ase de enti eba benya Passover feast no yenti asiesa it what to quotation no so say you must remember to do this even when you go to the land the Lord Yahweh is giving you. What to quotation so say verses 27 see you will say this Passover is to honor the Lord Yahweh because when we were in Egypt he passed over the houses of Israel. He killed the Egyptians, but he saved the people and our houses. What was also said? Then the people bowed down and worshipped the Lord Yahweh. Verses 28 and was said, the Lord Yahweh had given this command to Moshe and Aaron or Aharon. So the Israelites did what the Lord Yahweh commanded. Eti osi eyemransem a onyankopon Yahweh de ma Israel for no Moshe ene Aharon emo de ma Israel for no. Eti what to quotation so say verses 29 was say at midnight the Lord Yahweh killed all the firstborn son in Egypt. Eti abra wo mu kum emmoa no a wo mu hwe aboa no enam no wo ma mbɔ kase nim. Eti mewie Passover teachings yi onu a wotie me ubehu no kore no the truth about or the truth in Passover ene ebenya no Lord Supper no yenti asiesa eti ehɔ na yebehu no kwan a efa so edi Lord Supper no yendi Lord Supper no anase Passover no anopa anase ewia na emom yedi na nwumre enti na video no according to teachings we no ewaye pa enti na me ye no part 1 part 2 part 3 part 3 part 3 part 4 kopem say metichi nya bewie no onu a wotie me ana wo hwe me wo hu no kore no eti wo say said the wakan was say at midnight the Lord Yahweh killed all the firstborn sons in Egypt. Enti abra enwumre no du ya wo mu kum aboande mogya ne srasra edan no ho no ena asoro abofo kum nipa no eba betwe mu na oba betwe mu no wo hunu Israelfo no omude mogya na srasra ho no onyankopon Yahweh kɔbɔ wo mo ho ban eti asoro abofo no etwe mu they pass over eti abra wo pass over no wo mu kɔ Egypt fo no ho a wo manfa mogya no ansrasra dan ne se wo mu de no munim de ekoso eti wo mu kɔ Egypt fo no wo Pharaoh ene ne dom na wo kum obi biara firstborn eti wo to quotation no so a wo say at midnight the Lord Yahweh killed all the firstborn sons in Egypt, from the firstborn son of Pharaoh who ruled Egypt to the firstborn son of the prisoner sitting in jail. Etokum Aaron firstborn at the babesi jowo prison anase watchman mpo firstborn. Na ensi hwa what to quotation is so say also all the firstborn animals died. Na esanso ba emmoa nso say ye kanaman say ye wodwan say ye entontom kra firstborn kra ye den ewuye yenti asiesa what to quotation so verses 30 no say that night someone died in every house in Egypt. Pharaoh, his officials and all the people of Egypt began to cry loudly. Etiabra asura bofo no etwe mu no obetwe mu no wokum Israel okum Egypt fo no eba biara firstborn na eba firstborn na wokum no eno gina ho ma yagye nkwa Yeshua a wono so ba biwu a wono so ye the firstborn of Onyankopon Yahweh. Eti yenti asiesa. Eti medibesi ahasi. Na what to quotation according to verses 31 no. Eti fiasem no topic no say Israel leaves Egypt. Eti abra aso abofo no kum obi biara firstborn no. Ahomache no na Israel fo no free Egypt, Mizraim a wo mu ba bosha asase no so Canaan. Eti ebusuafo according to Shemot and I say Exodus chapter 12 no verses 1 ede ko no Passover ho enhyehyeye no na maka na nyina ade a kire mo. Eti on my next video no ye be jampe akwa New Testament. Eti ekọ New Testament asere ya nkwa Yeshua so ba ye wo bedi Passover meal no. Eti me kire no so ase wi a na afi ma kire Passover ni nyina ase ama yehu no kure no ekwan of se fa so di Passover no ye be di Passover na aye Lord's Supper na se de ye o se wo horo ye na ho ene de keka ho me kire ni nyina. Eti yenti ase esa. Eti we ye part 3. Eti on my next video no ebe ye part 4. Yenti ase esa medamase me ameka say ye frame me Kohen Gadol Ebenezer and Kapon Niama, and I've started my own church. I started it on the 2019, yes, right? So you can also worship with me. If you want to worship with me, you can reach me or WhatsApp me on 055-853-6664. And I've released a lot of songs, so you can follow me up on all social media platforms. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me up on TikTok, Facebook, and all social media platforms. Let us understand. And I always update preachings and teachings, so you can also get it there. Thanks. Shalom. Bye bye.